Okay, over to you, Pastor.
So after that incident, once you just begin realize, say you don't put another person for your quality time, it means say something done the day. And one of the ways where we take deceive ourselves, we say we will come they feel the need to share waiting happen for that relationship. So it could be like say we did transparent. But waiting they happen. Yes. But waiting say if you know what people are going through. But what is actually happening
Let us thank God for ourselves as
so
we
that's
do.
what we have.
Let's thank God for us. You see what this guy just called me to tell me now.
Say it's true.
It's true.
What is going on there is you are trying to justify why you know go come they get time like before. And you know see what happened there.
You know what they do.
They don't tie you. Your neck don't hang. The only reason why you never chop tangerine now because you know they around that plantation. The only reason. That's the only way I can explain it. You have to keep it. We have to keep it. We have to keep it.
You know they drop one punch like.
So once you know if you define these things, and sometimes don't feel bad to feel embarrassed being the one that escalates a situation that you cannot handle. No, too many times. The guys especially they feel like superheroes, you know. They have the emotional stability, and it's okay. You can come over right now, you know. Let's talk. They'll come, and then when you buy markets, you say, "What just happened now? What did you just do?" You know, you can't begin to use that swear voice.
What did we just do?
That big man.
What did I just do?
You know, and then you've messed up. You know, so sometimes don't feel embarrassed. See the greater good. You are saving what you currently have.
Sly. Sly not get you don't Sly, you not get work.
Yeah, you do take your time.
You not get work. Good evening. First of all, you know if you complain about your babe before.
Sly.
Yeah.
Say that babe. Una see them together?
Yeah. Something like that. You know.
But what's it be something like that?
Ask your question.
Ask your question.
Yeah, see. I want to ask one very funny question because this question when because they asked me that. Because see, I get one friend we don't do since I came to Italy. The first time I came to Italy, she has been my friend for all those years. And we like really close.
Okay.
So what I'm asking is like we are really close as in we talk about everything, both our relationship, I talk about my relationship with her. But you know, I think I have this feeling for her. What's the best thing to do? Is it just to tell her, let's stop talking because
you have something. I mean, fire the spark once in a while.
What?
Fire the spark once in a while from you.
I don't hear you.
Fire the spark. You say una they talk.
But you like her. You think you have feelings for her. Yeah.
Yeah, in a way,
okay,
yeah.
In a way, okay.
You're not a very straightforward man.
I understand. In a way, is actually okay. In a way, it's actually a big deal, especially when it's coming from the guy. It means that it's not in a way. It means that if there is a slight likelihood of dating her and the opportunity presents itself, you will seize it. So if you respect the relationship you currently have, and you think you can still balance it, it is really not true. You would need to define that relationship and begin to consciously give more time to your real relationship and begin to help the other relationship understand that it is not my relationship. So I can't always have time for it. Even if you have the time, give that time to your real relationship.
You know,
if
you remember last time when in call, they say in Babe, they share her own personal. If you remember, say with another guy. Now you self they share your own personal with another babe. So what are you not talking about?
Pastor, I feel ask question.
Yes, please.
Okay, what if the relationship weighing himself? They try. We it was making.
No, they try.
Sorry, Mo. Zara, good evening.
Hold the question.
Hold on. Zara. Continue.
Okay. What is the relationship weighing they presently? Weighing they try to revive.
No, don't get gay.
You not get head. And now he's actually liking his friend.
You see, the question when they ask, no be said the relationship no get head.
No, he complained before.
Wait,
you
now.
don't complain before.
You know when you are coaching or counseling, you no go take any. You go deal with the person as they ask you question at the time. Okay. So we just do you coaching one-on-one now. So don't carry any past issues. They talk to the person
now,
as they talk to you, as they talk to you that time. So as they talk to you now, relationship they intact. But this person and person when first meet when they first come that country. So bond don't they? But he know. As we don't they talk now. You know that as we they talk, now he don't know. Say I they feel this chick. So if you respect the relationship where you get, and na something where you respect, you go redefine this one.
So if you don't come respect the relationship.
If this one there no be relationship. Now you don't any day relationship, you don't know.
But
so
that
if you drop this in real relationship for that one.
If you drop him, that one do the relationship.
Maybe that one are just a friend. That one maybe no say they like him now. We don't know whether the girl like him. So if we end this one and reach the girl say, why? But we're friends.
And now you they had them.
You don't say you don't buy. You don't say,
yo, bro, what's up? Lava shoes. Bueno más. La bro.
Then you don't know say you don't buy man because the one where you hope don't go. This
go.
one where you feel say hope they.
Now I make them talk say bed in hand in a bed. Forget the one where they push.
So Sly, if you're listening, I think that you've not said anything about issues in your relationship. Your relationship is healthy. This is a good friendship. Probably redefine it. Say, let's see only on weekends. Or let's see with her. Let's see with my girl. Me and my girlfriend come see you. And then say, hey, see you and then go.
Hello.
Let's not have any other.
Hello.
Good evening, my brother. That's it.
Yes, we're listening, sir.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Hello.
Hey, would they hear you?
What do you do?
You they talk to would they hear you?
The driver.
We
I
there.
trying to call you since when I see you, I got to see you. The pray for you today.
Hey, thank you.
You be someone.
Yes, boss.
I believe you.
I hear you, boss.
I believe you.
Papa Iheanyi,
My brother.
this one is one of the best programs I've ever watched on TV stations.
Nice one there. Nice
I
one
don't
there.
write out many things concerning your work. My book don't fool for your matter.
Hey, nice one.
I
Nice
don't
one.
say God will more empower you more to educate people more.
Amen. Oh, amen.
You,
Eh?
I believe you.
I believe you more. Thank you.
Let me see you because of your matter.
Nice. Oh,
Hey,
nice.
madam, good evening. Oh.
Chai,
Charlie,
madam.
Good evening.
Chai, madam.
Evening.
Good evening.
Madam, thanks.
Hello.
I hear you.
Now that I say like you.
Ngwana.
I like him too.
So you
Thank
know
you very
like
much.
Are you like emotional tie?
Pastor, I agree to
Evening, oh, how about it now?
this side.
Nice one there. Nice one there.
Hello.
All right
Thank
now.
you.
Bye, thank
Bye-bye,
you.
oh.
Una good night, oh.
bye-bye.
Wakoya. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening. Zara.
Good evening. Good evening.
Wait, you move phone call? You take phone?
Yes.
They talk.
Ngwa talk.
I talk.
Finally,
Sharp,
talk.
sharp.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm greeting people now. You could since I've been calling you, don't
Hey, continue. We dey greet you too.
Okay.
Hey, the boyfriend tell us to talk sharp. We dey hear you now. Hey, Honan.
Good evening, Nedu.
Okay, the TV is too loud. The TV is too loud.
Zara, the Lord knows your needs, and He will meet you at the point of your needs. Amen. Bye.
Good evening, oh.
Yeah, Zara, good evening.
Bye, Zara. Bye. Pastor,
TV is too
continue
loud.
because we'll go late. How many minutes we get to continue, Pastor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so easy.
The question.
That's your question. No cook finish. Yes, so cook and finish.
Yeah, we don't almost finish now, yeah.
Easy been they talk something.
Yes,
What
talk
you
am now.
make
Say,
you call am.
That one no come work and he won't enter
and
the
you want
other
enter
one.
another one. So at least if you go ahead now, like you want to try revive relationship where it almost go
yes,
down.
you they give advice or you they just
No, I dey
Just
ask
they
you,
ask.
so that if you move ahead.
No. The question, we don't talk to make we know bring anything. in the
So we
past.
don't, that's
so
what we leave
you're
out.
good now. You do okay now?
Yes, I did okay.
Any other thing where you want?
No, nothing.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
All right, beautiful. I can see in your eyes that you have been.
Oh,
outside.
yeah, peace. Continue, Pastor.
So,
We get 5 minutes.
yes, yeah, we don't talk guys on ladies. Most times they happens. Ladies zone no be. Now subconscious. We go talk. When ladies zone day even easier because lady if even talk say I like this boy and they go laugh and they feel. But man, the day awkward. The thing where now only very few men the day very vocal
Yes.
about those kinds of things. When man begin like girl differently, if you no talk, for a mind if you just talk say I will just become her guardian angel. Anytime she need to talk,
I'm going to form bros.
there's a soldier, there's a shoulder. There's a shoulder to lean on. You self go form shoulder, and then the real shoulder where it's supposed to be. You go begin weak for the real one when they give you.
You're going to pro for now.
You know, so emotional ties are real. They can put you in serious trouble. They can affect you in ways that you can't explain. So it's I know people will say it's not as easy as it sounds. True, it's not as easy as it sounds, but you need to discipline yourself.
We'll take the last caller. Cindy, good evening.
Good evening.
Evening.
How is you, Cindy?
It's good though. Celebrant, where's my cake?
Okay. When you come back, you go see me. Is there ground for you already? Now, like 2. I keep like 2 for you. 2 day okay?
You sure?
I keep 2.
I believe you. Very well.
Now, Cindy.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, you welcome back.
Thank a lot.
Easy beat.
Hi, Cindy. Good evening.
Good evening. Swagger man, what's up?
Swagger master. What's up? Answer.
Thank you very much.
If you just go straight, go ask Easy B. Just use us. Make it be like say.
You don't want to talk to Easy before.
Continue. You got question to ask Pastor?
No, not really.
I just want greet Easy B.
If you just call Secret Easy B straight now.
Easy because they say no who they
I
call.
want greet me. Do celebrant. He do birthday. No give me cake.
Now they say the cake they ground 2 for you.
No problem. I'm coming to collect it.
Come on now.
Why you can't talk when that collecting and coming to collect? Why you can't talk that place? Look. Cindy. The Lord is watching you.
Cindy.
Good night, Cindy. Thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Yeah. So emotional ties are real. They are better when they are impactful in your life and not detrimental. You know, if they possible say the reason why they attach to somebody now because of the way the person they progress or they advance in life. Sometimes, but most times not just waiting you feel. You know, you like in six-pack, you like the way they walk, you like the way they laugh.
But most times, you don't walk where you go. They already in a relationship. Then, because of emotional ties, so you don't get with this person. When I just they talk. You go just fashion this one where you they can't enter.
Is it possible where I've seen? I don't see where people.
It works.
Yes, I don't see where people where ever talk to themselves about relationship, but like themselves pieces. Some of them enter 2 different relationships. The relationship just dry. The only time both of them they happy.
Now when they date together.
Eventually they can't end up together, can't apologize to their 2 separate relationships. Then can't they? So it they happen.
See Israelite journey.
Don't
talk. I don't know.
If you do me for body, I talk my own.
Emotional tie. So maybe that's one now. Don't trigger how we go. Can't even talk how to even make communication more efficient in relationship.
Now next week Friday we go discuss.
When we talk in book, you don't say what's in that man name when say he write all the point down. Now right time he still remain no pastor here book they come out very soon.
See, say from the beginning of this year, we don't write everything we go discuss this year. We never see him. We are not see nothing. He was going to show you something.
Jesus
But say when your book
the books don't they press, but I want to do paper and audio. So the audio of the book go inside the book.
So that when they drive,
so if you not sit down and read them, you go put them for your car.
When you drive go area or you go
anywhere car.
The title of the books now. For English, then we go talk for Pidgin. They do go translate for Pidgin English. What every man should want in a woman.
The thing where every man supposed to look for in every woman.
And then the book for the women. And the opposite now, what every woman should want in a man.
What every woman through supposed to look for inside man.
How many things they supposed want?
Well, we go see. For the men, no be lips, hips, and fingertips alone. For the ladies, no be tall, dark, handsome, and rich. But we go, all those things no go there. For men book, lips, hips, and fingertips no go there.
By the time people read that book finish, they know they go to work out for road, they look.
I didn't tell you.
Who be this fellow?
Brother go to work for racing.
Who be this fellow?
Anyway, now make our country for day better. Now make us do all these things. Now make Pastor Iheanyi go get Friday every time for this show. Yes, now make because they say now when relationship day better, families go day better, and our society too go day better. Now make we forget better country. Now make this one they happen. Now make Pastor too they come on this book. Anyway, Pastor phone number there on top of TV now. I beg you now go flash the phone number so that people go see the phone number. 0817 223.
I'm too much.
7,000.
Oh!
0817 223 7,000.
Only text.
Only text. I beg. Only text. Monday to Friday. Saturday no text. Sunday no text.
You feel send them any kind of message on top Twitter any day 24/7. All that once.
At Iheanyi1 that be Twitter handle.
Then
at Iheanyi1. Then email to But those of you who get number straight up, just text 08172327000.
And then we get plan to do live events for them soon.
And then we get plan to do live events. All of you when they're different places, we will come on a place, do events, we go ask questions, then we'll come back to Lagos. That's how we're going to go every other part of the country. Anyway, double toilet to all of you, we don't call Cindy. Everybody we call double toilet to all of you. The person we call from Germany, sister in the Lord. Peace to you. Sly.
That you are.
To our producers, K Solo, K Moss, the Ebu K Moss, and then Big Bash, Sharpally, and then to DJ of the Gods, DJ Easy Beat, and the owner of Friday on the night show, Wazobia Pastor Iheanyi double toilet.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.